How to check if Nomad eSIM is activated or not. Nomad is a company that provides eSIM services, allowing travelers to buy and use mobile data plans in over 200 countries without needing a physical SIM card. Their service is data-only and avoid roaming charges. First, check if your eSIM has been successfully installed and activated. For that, first go to Settings. Click on Cellular. Here in SIMs option, you can find your Nomad eSIM. Make sure to turn on the eSIM if it's not turned on. You can also check from its application. Download Nomad eSIM application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then log into your account with email. It will show here active or not. To activate, click on it and click Active Now. That's it. Thanks for watching.